All right, everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. I have my speaking cover case that I'm gonna put on my new Samsung Galaxy S10, and also I have the new clear view case from Samsung that I'm also use on here as well. So let's go ahead and see if we can take a look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. All right, so it looks like we have probably some manuals in here. All right, so it looks like we have some manuals and information about the screen protector. And we'll put all that to the side for right now. And we'll take a look at this beautiful Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus phone here. So this is the Prism Black. And let's go ahead and see if we can take some of this film off. Now this is a beautiful, beautiful phone here. So this is definitely real nice. You have your USB-C, you have the headphone jack, speaker, a mic, and another mic up here. You have your SIM card tray. All right, so let's see if we can see what else we have in the box here. All right, so basically we have power brick for your charger, and it looks like they have, for I guess for maybe for the Plus model here, you have all black everything. I see. So it looks like you have some black headphones, AKG, if you can see that, and you have the power cord for the charger as well. So we'll put that to the side, and look like we have a adapter as well that goes with the Samsung Galaxy 10 Plus phone. All right, so looking at this phone here is really a nice design. And let's see if we can go ahead and remove some more of this film off here as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can power this bad boy up. All right. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, powered by Android. All right, so it looks like it does have a screen protector on it. I can feel it around the screen here. All right, so this is a beautiful phone here. So we're gonna put that aside. We're gonna look at the speaking case here that I bought. I bought this from Amazon for $13.99. So if you're looking to get a case for your brand new Galaxy S10 Plus, you can check out Amazon. You can check out this brand here. All right, so I have got the clear view back, and it's black on the sides and the top here. So we'll go ahead and see if we can try to remove the film from this as well. All right, so we got some of the film off, and we'll go ahead and see if we can put the phone in the case here, see how it look. All right, fit perfectly in there. This is a really, really nice phone here. So I'm not going to do the full setup today. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and just wanted to give you a preview of the phone, just a quick unboxing, so you can get a kind of idea of what the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus look like. Once I get everything set up, then I can probably do a walkthrough or tutorial of the phone on the different features and different things that Samsung Galaxy have to offer with this phone. So for right now, If you want to subscribe to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike the video, you can hit the dislike button as well. So until next time, I'll talk to you later.